Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lola.
Delia, happy 60th birthday, Mama Delia.
God bless po.
God bless po.
Ingat, I miss
Happy
you so
60th sa
much.
inyong dalawa, ni Papa Romy, Lolo Romy. Yes,
Yes, flying kiss.
yes, flying kiss, flying kiss, flying kiss.
I love
Flying-
you. Say I love you, Lola.
Love you. I love you, Lola.
Ma. Head.
Hello po, Tita Delia. Happy birthday po. God bless you. More blessings to come.
Happy birthday, Lola Delia. I love you. I miss you. God bless you.
Hi Tita, I just want to wish you a very happy birthday. I wish you all the best, especially for good health. And gusto ko lang mag-thank you for this day kasi it's your birthday and I want you to know na lahat po ng mga posts nyo and videos, it really spreads good vibes lang po. Siyempre, alam niyo na, in a world full of chaos, charot, talagang we really need that positivity. And Tita, I just like to thank you also for loving my sister as your own, for loving us, and for being there for mommy and for us during the hard times. And yun po, I wish you'll have a blast, enjoy your day, and we'll see you soon. I love you, Tita. Mahal na mahal ka po namin.
Happy birthday, Mami Delia. God bless, good health. Ingat lagi.
Happy birthday, Lola Delia.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy 60th birthday.
Hi, Ate Del! Totoo ba? Senior ka na ba? Happy birthday! From Norman Salvador family. Binabati ka namin ng happy 60th birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Del!
Wala yung mga bata pero alam nila, sayang, sana nakasama namin dito sa video. Una-una, ang good health sa inyo ni Kuya Romy at kami nagpapasalamat sa inyo mag-asawa mula noon na nag-umpisa si Norman na bilang videographer. Malaking naging tulong na naging trabaho niya sa inyo. Ngayon, lahat na ng anak naming tatlo graduate na. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hello Del, happy 60th birthday. Welcome to the club.
Happy birthday, Del. Welcome to the club. Wishing you good health, more birthdays, and more lakwatsa to come. Ingat ka palagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Del.
Hi! Hello, happy birthday, Del. May you live a long and happy life ahead and with your loved ones, Romy and the children. Nasa badminton kami ngayon. Sana ikaw din.
Hi, Del. Happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday.
Welcome to the club.
Senior club.
Senior club.
Dual citizen ka na.
Yes. Saan tayo kakain?
Yay!
Happy birthday.
Sama mo kami.
Yay!
Happy birthday, Delia. I will call you Delia because that is your name. Ayan na naman ang katarayan ni Madam. Okay? Ang dasal po namin sa iyo ay magkaroon ka pa ng maraming kaarawan na tumating sa iyong buhay. And the Lord will continue to give you the desires of your heart. So that you will have many more years to enjoy with your loved ones. happy birthday ulit. At sa iyo din, Mang Romy, belated happy birthday to both of you. Enjoy your day!
Sir Romy, happy birthday from San Francisco with love. Happy birthday. And to both of you, we're celebrating Diamond Jubilee year. May God bless you both. Enjoy. Hi Delia. Love from San Francisco, California. Si Boying at si Nenet. Hope you have a very, very beautiful birthday. Okay. Enjoy.
Hello! Hello Del! Hello Romy! Happy birthday sa'yo! Ganyan din sa'yo Romy, happy birthday!
Sexy. Happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. Happy birthday. Ingat kayo. Dito kami nag-aantay ng bata.
Naantay namin si Jella. Kaya nasa loob lang kami ng kotse. So, happy birthday! Enjoy lang! Good health and more blessings to come. Thank you sa pagiging kumari niyo sa amin at sa pagiging isang mabuting kaibigan. Salamat! Happy birthday again!
Hello, Romy. Happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. Hinay-hinay lang sa pagkain. Be healthy. Enjoy life. Kumusta sa inyong lahat? Bye-bye.
Wow! Surprise! Mga kumpalit kumarin kong mga jet setter. Wow! Ay, belated happy birthday kay Paring Romy.
Birthday greetings to Maringden.
Oh, naku.
Who always, Romy, who always present pag tinawagan lahat ng pag may gathering ang Monday po. Palagi siya na lang ang tumatawag. Yung surprise party namin ni Noel, siya din ang tinawagan ni Ryan. Thank you.
Happy birthday again! Belated kay pare at nako, advance happy birthday kay Marindel.
The jet setter.
Kumpare and kumare. Always, babayu!
Hello, sister. Sending you the warmest wishes from me and my family. A happy birthday, 60. Good health and good luck. Have a wonderful birthday with your family and your friends. Thank you. Goodbye.
Hi, Del. Happy birthday to you. So, goodbye full price and hello, 20% discounts ka na ngayon. Congratulations. Ang wish ko sa'yo, laging healthy, ingat lagi, and always be happy, okay? Happy 60th birthday. Enjoy and have fun.
Tita, happy 60th birthday. Tita, wish you good health and more blessings pa po.
God bless you. I love
Enjoy
you.
po.
We love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy na birthday pa.
Okay, guys. Mine na po. Mine na. 3 for 100. Yes. Okay. Yours na, Sis Delia. Mine mo na po. Send your details and everything. It's a
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday na ni Delia. Birthday pa ni Romy. Birthday ni Delia. Ngayon. Hip, hip, ahu! Ahu!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, bro Romy and Sis Delia. We love you.
Of course.
Laot naman kayo. Ang hirap kayang magpakapal ng mukha. Diba? Maawa kayo sa amin, ha? Okay, see you soon.
Bye.
Wish you both well. God bless.
Hi Del, wishing you a happy birthday. Parang kailan lang debut mo Ngayon ay hindi ko masabi kung ilang taong ka na Pero anyway, continue to be a blessing sa iyong husband, sa iyong family, and of course, kay Romy. And then, katatapos lang niya mag-birthday. Bro, happy birthday. Isa kang talagang masasabi kong tunay na kaibigan. At isa ka sa mga hinahangaan ko sa larangan ng photography. At syempre, isa ka rin sa pinaka-idol ko sa mga folk singing. Kaya patuloy lang bro, patuloy lang tayo. Salamat at naging kaibigan ko kayong dalawa. So, God bless you and wishing you all the best in life. Bye.
Happy
birthday, Ate Delia and Kuya Romy. God bless po.
Happy birthday! Delia and Romy!
Happy
birthday, Ate Delia! Yes, Ate Del! Siya nga pala, 60th birthday na. More blessing pa, Ate Del. Sana ma-reach mo yung goal mo, tsaka yung mga gusto mo pang marating, Ate Del. Yes, pray lang lagi. Good health, hindi lang sa'yo, kay Kuya Romy, sa mga anak mo, sa apo mo. So, enjoy life, Ate Del, at 60s.
Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday ulit.
Enjoy.
Enjoy, Ate Del.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, maging malusog ka, more karap, more blessing, ibigay lahat ang buong karap. Yeah, guys and family, all enjoy. Wishing you all the best. Yeah. 30 or 40 years to come. Okay.
Wishing you good health and yes, love you. Happy
birthday. Yeah, see you in Philippines.
See you soon.
Happy birthday, Tita Del. I love you.
Hallelujah. Happy birthday, hallelujah. Happy birthday, hallelujah. Happy birthday, hallelujah. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, hallelujah. Happy birthday, Halo. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy Halo. Yan.
Birthday, Ate Del. God bless you more. Thank you sa pagiging mabait na ate. Sana ay bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng maraming buhay. Dalawa kayo ni Kuya Romy para makapasyal kayo ulit sa mga iba't ibang lugar, mga makakating pa, joke only. Happy birthday. God bless you both.
Happy birthday. Dalawa.
Bye. Happy birthday, Ate Del. Nandito kami sa Manila Hotel. God bless you more.
Happy birthday to kayo. Kilala mo pa ba ako?
Yan si Ate Del, yung nagpunta sa Bulacan. Bye. God bless you.
Bye-bye.
Bless kami na nagkaroon ng kapatid na katulad mo. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay. Marami ang operasyon, mga health issues, pero nakayanan mo. Kaya dasal namin ang iyong kalusugan. Happy 60th birthday, Manang. Ang treat mo sa amin, saka na lang kasi medyo busy pa kami para doble na at mas marami tayong makain.
Happy birthday, Ate Del.
Happy 60th birthday. We love you.
God bless you always. Bye.